Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's the 12th of March 2010, about 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and yesterday beautiful symmetrical triangle breakout above 115. Very nice couple tests of that 115 mark, and then a really nice breakout on good volume, rising into the close. And the symmetrical triangle was drawn in several hours earlier, actually, as it developed. Kind of nice. Also, we had taken trend confirmation of this. I'll show you in a minute. But a good move up. Very, very nice. Even past all of these highs, based on its high after the close, after the bell. And now this morning, we're even gapping up again. So we're going to hold this area at 115.60/58, and that'll be interesting. Also, 115. I'll want to see that hold as well. If we do a little gap fill, and then run higher, there's sort of an obscure but still worth mentioning resistance back on a daily chart. It's right here at 116.56. We've been talking about this for months. So the support, nice test. Use it as, again, intraday. You can see a great support area here on this bar. Then it broke significantly, ran back up as resistance, and sold off. And that's going to be our next target, 116.56 area. It's amazing we're almost there. It's great. So on a 60-minute chart, you can see a longer term ascending triangle right through here, several higher highs. It's also a bit of a high base if you want to call these highs equal. And if you draw this like we had before, then this becomes a very, very large pennant type, sort of a flag, if you will, but not a lot of selling going on. No matter what you want to call it, the sentiment reads higher. And so that's great. It's good to be careful up in here with areas like this, because after multi-day consolidation, at least it's getting a little bit more ripe. It's not just one abject run up into resistance all at once. And I've been wanting to see this either consolidate or pull back, and I still believe that to be valid. You know, an unfilled gap, not a lot of volume confirming it, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars in a row up into this area. Still going to be careful how I go along through here. If you look intraday, however, part of that run up is actually a bit of a consolidation as well. So it's not completely broken either to the upside. Just need to be a little bit more careful and definitely watch how this fills today. So yesterday, let me remove some of this pre and post market data. Take a look at the trend with me. And I'll go out one time frame here. So the trend actually ran up. It was going higher with higher highs and higher lows all day. Filled that gap perfectly to 0.6 and then sold off right back down to 0.47. That's very nicely bullish. And remember, you have to scrunch up all the data in here to make it match what happens above the 1.0 line. The trend Q, nice as well. A little bit of a gap up, filled that gap, just exactly the opposite, and then ran back up to the neutral range and closed actually in the neutral range. So there's a bit of a divergence there. And again, with people being a little nervous into the close about how we were going to, take apart that high numbers, it makes a lot of sense as well. And the VIX, beautiful bleed out. So good gap up, held for a little while, and then sold off. This right here at 1860 is what I want to mention. This is a perfect gap fill from the previous day. So right through here, hugging the 200 moving average, and then right on that bar. So that's 1509. If you look at the S&P, this is the 1509 bar right here. So just shy of that. Very, very nice higher swing low, cup and handle, right into the 115 mark. 2 overhead resistances, not too bad to have left side price to trade into. Nice symmetrical triangle through here, and the VIX confirmed. So at least we had that in our camp along with the trend Q being the outlier at that point. A very nice intraday trade through here. Not the easiest one to catch, but looking for some confirmation above these swing highs, even giving up some money on the run up. That's a great setup. So good stuff, everybody. I hope you have a great trading day today. We'll see how things are going around noon. I will be with you and kind of help guide if you need some added assistance. And that's always fun. And you can stay tuned for D7's video at the close. He'll be doing his weekly wrap-up, which is awesome. And trade well, everybody. Talk to you soon.